Hi, Dave Smith here. Here's the new torch that I'm selling. Let me show you how well it works here. One thing I really like about this torch is that I can keep turning it down really, really low and it'll still maintain at that particular temperature, whereas at the high temperature is really, really nice. I'm going to show you some torches that I have gone through here and replaced now with a new torch that I sell. This is one of the first ones that I used to use and used to sell, and over the period of time I was able to go to another private brand manufacturer that was pretty good, but they still had some problems. And the main problems that I was always having was that the torches would plug up in this area here. There's a little nozzle in there and you couldn't clean them. This one I liked. It had a sight glass on it, but one of the problems is it always leaks a lot when you fill it. So I was getting a little irritated with that. These others I retired mostly because the manufacturer wouldn't stand behind them, whereas at least this manufacturer was a little bit better about standing behind things. But I finally got fed up with having to clean torches and stuff like that. So if you have one of those, I'll give you a break on one of my newer ones that I'm going to show you. And after I show you that torch, I'm going to put another video up of how to rebuild these things here to clean them up a little bit. We'll attempt to do one of these. We'll definitely do one of these. And then I'll show you the difference in my new torch that I'm selling and how easily it is to clean and take apart. I tried this torch out too. I was not satisfied with it because of the fact that it only had a high. No matter what happens, as you start to turn it down, it goes out long before you can get any small flame on it. So that one torch was this one here that I don't like. I did test a few other torches and found them wanting as well. Whereas this new torch that I'm selling now, actually has pretty much very close to the same length of flame. And it's got a little wider, but as you turn it down, you can get it adjusted really, really low before it extinguishes itself. And that allows you to do some smaller things with it as well. So watch for the other video and we'll go from there. So that's it for now.